welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing the Fabfitfun winter box. It's very heavy, but the actual box size has really decreased the last couple of seasons, which is good because they're probably using up less packaging that way. So this is a $49.99 a quarter subscription, so you get this every season. And what else can I tell you about this? It's got, I think, 7 to 10 full-size items, and you could get beauty, health care, skincare, and clothing. I've got robes and wraps before, and also sometimes you get home goods, home accessories. So it's got a little bit of everything. Sometimes it's worth it, sometimes it's not. I did just unbox the Fabfitfun 12 Days of Fun Advent box, and that was amazing. I loved it so much. So this little box has got a lot to live up to. I also have no table, so I have nothing to rest this on except for on my lap. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, so peeking inside the box, this is how it comes packaged. There's a couple of loose things on the top. So we have got our catalog, which will tell us the price of all of the things in our box. And the theme is, it's winter 2021. And then we also got some stickers. Isn't that cute? So I will pass these along to some kids who I know will think that they're fun. And then we're going to get into the meat of our box. Okay, so the first thing we got is actually on top of all of this packaging. And it is from Avene. It is thermal spring water, soothing, anti-irritating for sensitive skin. So this is like a face water mist, I think. Spray a fine mist on your skin, wait for a few minutes, then gently pat dry. So I'm wearing makeup right now, but I'm not going to try it. But I will test out the spray and see how violently it does or does not come out. Okay, so here we go. This is a fine mist. I am going to spray a little bit on my face just to see how cooling it feels. It's actually quite nice. This would probably be really handy actually in the winter because our skin does get dry, so it's nice to give it a little moisture boost. So that's the first thing we got. Just put it out on the floor. And then we will take out our packaging. We have got a HelloFresh coupon. So if you want to use that code, there it is there for you. Alright, so let's grab this first thing. Ooh, I picked this. So you do get to pick several of the items in your box when the choice comes around. So this is from parei, I believe is how you say that. And it is a milk frother. So I got this to make nice frothy beverages, like froth up the hot chocolate maybe. Froth up a latte, a chai tea latte. Because we don't have one of these. Oh, it comes with batteries too. How generous. Alright, so this is the Milk Frother. I can't tell with the bright light in my face if that is blue or green, but it definitely looks blue now in the light. So that's very cute. Just a little frother and batteries. So generous. Okay, next, what is this? Oh, this is heavy. Oh, I picked these two. So this is from the brand Coral. And these are, I think that they're ankle weights. Yes, 2 ankle weights. I don't know why I do this to myself. I don't want to work out or improve my lifestyle in any way because it takes a lot of effort. But I'm putting in the effort, so I might as well do something that's going to help further that along. So we do have 2 ankle weights. Are they going to fit my giant ankles? That's TBD. Ooh, they have a very strong smell to them. Okay, so they are adjustable and they are in a really nice purple color. So I'm gonna strap these on and see how they feel. Okay, so here they are. They're quite weighty. Do you like my fancy socks and my fancy going out shoes and my mess? I do. So yeah, they're not very heavy. I'd say they're probably maybe half a pound each. That might help tone up these thick calves for sure. So I'll give those a try at some point when I feel like it, basically. And we're back. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, we have some garbage. We have this rather large thing on top. So this is Unhide for Love, Not Fur. So this is like a faux fur, small blanket in the color charcoal. It's 50 inches by 60 inches or 127 centimeters by 152.4 centimeters. I've got things hanging off of me. I think I picked actually most of these because I'm an annual member, so I pay all up front for the whole year. I think you save a little bit of money doing that. I also have an affiliate code if you go into my into the video description down below. There should be a link there if you are interested in getting this box. So we got a nice fur, and I remember in the fall box we got a nice like waffle knit dark green throw. But you can't go wrong with a faux fur blanket. If you can get into it. I'm having some struggles. All right, we're almost there. Okay, put this box down for a second. It's very securely wrapped. It's actually very weighty feeling as well. All right, so this is the throw. Actually, my husband's bathrobe is just almost the exact same color. So it is on both sides. And it's a nice size. I mean, it's good to throw on your couch. I did actually just pick up a dark blue one from Indigo because I forgot that I had picked this. That's the problem. I forget. So it's like a surprise to me, even though I did pick this for myself. So that's nice. Maybe I'll just put that on this chair here. All right, let's grab our box. Getting to the lighter stuff. So this is from Sensuals. And it is facial serum, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid with Edelweiss plant stem cells. I think I have this. Do I have this? Have I received this already before? Maybe in another box? Let me see the packaging. I feel like I have this. I don't know what box I got it from. I think I maybe even got this in the Fabfitfun summer box. Maybe. It looks familiar. But it's a face serum and it's got vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, so it's not going to go to waste. I do like a good face product. Okay, then we have this box from the brand Slim Deep. This is a toning oil. What the heck is a toning oil? Does it say? Does it say? Does it say? A blend of natural aromatherapeutic oils for toning. Oh, I'm thinking for your face probably then. I'm thinking for like my body. Like I just rub oil and I get toned. So for optimal use, apply on clean skin after a shower when skin is damp. Apply by rubbing your palms together and then massage onto affected area. Okay, so maybe it is for your body. I don't know. Let's open it up. We'll read about it in the description, perhaps. Yeah, so that must be for your body then. It's a nice size, though. How many mils do we have? 60 mils or 2 fluid ounces. We're going to have to read all about that. All right, next. I feel like this might be a makeup item. Should be nice. So this is from Aesthetica, and it is a eyeliner in the shade black. Ooh, shocking, a black eyeliner, guys. I don't wear enough eyeliner for it to ever run out, really. So this is what the packaging looks like. And then this is what the applicator looks like. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not going to use this. I'm going to give this away to somebody who will use it. I've got like 27 black eyeliners right now, and I wear it maybe once every month. So I'm going to give this away. Still a nice product, but I don't need it. Okay, we're at the end. And this is also something I picked just because I like torturing myself, really. So this is from Glaminetic, and it is false lashes with the magnetic eyeliner. And I thought maybe I did try one time to put on eyelashes with the glue, and it didn't work out very well. So I thought maybe like I can apply eyeliner, so maybe that I could work with these, maybe. So I'm going to try these out, and if I am successful, I will post a photo on my Instagram channel, which is also linked below. That's where I tend to try this kind of stuff out. Yeah. So that was our last thing. So let's get some pricing and see what the value of our box is. Okay, so they did it again where you scan a QR code and it tells you what is in your box and the value. So I will just put the prices either down below or on each individual product. I just like, they're already printing this magazine. Why not just put the pricing in like you used to do? Why have you stopped doing that, Fabfitfun? So yeah, hopefully I'm excited about the value. Actually, I'm going to scan the QR code and see if it gives me a value. Sorry, I'm rambling. One moment. Okay, so my box is valued at approximately $222. Which is okay. I've had boxes that have been worth upwards of almost $400 or even over $400. So $222 does seem to be on the low side. How I judge if I got my value is whether I'll use this stuff or not. And I will use everything. I won't use the eyeliner, just because I already have a ton. But everything else, sure. Because everything's scattered on the floor, I'm only going to pick my very favorite item, which is going to be this throw, because it's something that you'd probably spend $25–30 on anyway, so that's over half the value of my box, and it's very soft, very cozy, and it'll look good thrown on one of my many pieces of furniture. I have an abundance of furniture right now. All right, so I'd like to thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind liking this video, you can click like down below. There's more videos here or here. And you can click here or here to go to my channel and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. I would really appreciate it. And I hope you all have a great day, and thank you for watching.